Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to use Autosum here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so Autosum is an equation or a formula that you do use here on Excel. In order to get this up, you can just type in equals and then type in sum, and from there we want to open up our brackets. Okay, so let's put in the first bracket, and from here we now want to select the numbers. Now you can either select them by clicking on the cell, holding control, and then you can select any cells around the document, or of course by also dragging and choosing a certain size amount of cells. Once you've done that, all you need to do is then add the remaining of the bracket. Then once you've finished, just press enter, and it's now combined all of the cells that you see right here, and rather helpfully they've all been color coded so you can see which cells are which. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions, make sure to leave them down below.